Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make handmade jewelry. First, gather your essential tools like various pliers and wire cutters. Next, select quality materials such as different types of beads, wire, and findings. Understanding basic techniques for creating secure connections is crucial before you begin any project. This foundational knowledge will ensure your pieces are both beautiful and durable, setting you up for success in your crafting journey. Now, let's dive into some essential techniques. Learning to create simple loops is fundamental for attaching components like beads and clasps. Mastering wire wrapping will allow you to secure stones or create intricate designs with a professional finish. Additionally, practicing how to properly open and close jump rings ensures your connections are strong and won't easily come apart. These skills form the backbone of many jewelry projects. With your techniques in hand, it's time to design and assemble. Begin by planning your design, perhaps with sketches or by arranging components on a beadboard to visualize your creation. Then, assemble your components in a logical, step-by-step order, working carefully to bring your vision to life. Always ensure all connections are strong and durable, giving your handmade jewelry longevity and a professional feel. Once your beautiful piece is assembled, take a moment to inspect it carefully for any loose ends or rough edges. A thorough check ensures durability and a professional finish. Next, polish any metal components to enhance their shine and overall appeal, making your handmade jewelry truly sparkle. Remember, attention to detail elevates your craft. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.